Okay, so if you want to disassemble this microphone, you need to... Okay. So you want to disassemble this microphone. Okay. So I'm gonna do this in only educational purposes, and I'm not responsible for any damage caused by this video. Okay, so by now stop yapping and start doing. So you need at first to remove these buttons, and you don't need to worry about this too much because it's pretty safe to do this, and it's very little chance to destroy your microphone by doing this. So you can do this by, your fingernails and just tear down this, Okay, and now you can unscrew that thing, because if you remove that windshield, you will get to this thing, and if you remove that, your microphone will start to loose there, and by pulling this, you can remove that case, and you got that core. Okay, so you got this 4 screws, and you will have also this mesh that covers your microphone. It loses, and very little stays in place, so you can remove that. I removed this previously because it's easier to tear down this microphone. Okay, so now you will need a screwdriver, but very little. It's CRVPH000. I don't think you can see that. Okay. And now you can unscrew this thing. So okay, so by now I won't do anything more, because obviously you can do this by yourself, and I guess you can do pretty much everything with it now. You can also remove that thing, because it's okay. This fit very well, and that is something that you can remove. My camera is fucking crap. And okay, bye now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.